Hakeem, how are you doing? Because I'm not doing okay. I don't know what to do. I miss you so much, and I don't know. Like, when am I gonna see you again?
Like never? Never?
I don't understand.
Want to say it? Hey guys, my name is Akeem, and I love to annoy the heck out of my wife.
My name is Jen, and I love to eat chocolate.
My name is Akeem, and I like to make restaurant style plates like lamb chops and asparagus.
My name is Jennifer. I don't like to bathe.
Oh, okay. I'm Akeem, and I take 4 showers a day. I do bathe a lot.
My name is Jennifer, and I complain about cooking every time. Why you got to do this?
That's true. My name is Akeem, and I have to sleep with a fan on every night, even when it's winter.
My name is Jen, and I hate the fun so much.
My name is Akeem, and I could eat Caesar salad and chicken wings 5 nights out of 7.
My name is Jennifer, and I try to eat healthy every time, and I'm not losing any weight.
My name is Akeem, and I like to sleep 18 hours out of 24 if I'm not working.
Really?
And there's no football on TV or basketball.
My name is Jennifer, and I like to interrupt my husband's sporting sessions.
By talking, yeah?
Oh my God.
Yes. I don't know. I can't think. I'm Akeem, and I snore really loud.
Hold on, babe. I'm listening to this.
In the middle of a thing?
Not doing
Okay.
Then you can cut out, baby.
Yeah, I know.
Hakeem, how are you doing? Because I'm not doing okay. I don't know what to do. I miss you so much, and
Who is it?
I don't know. Like, when am I gonna see you again?
One of my classmates them from school. Baby, no, man, I do not know how to do it.
What?
You know, man, I do not know how to do it. Man, I know where that come from. Just to say me, I text my
My
sister.
stomach just dropped.
Why?
Because. What'd you say? What'd you say?
She missed me, and from married man and link her and Ray. I don't understand. I don't get it. Babe. And before you say nothing or before you do nothing, let me just call the person and maybe try to get it out of the way. But as I say, you know me now.
You don't need to call her, just block her. Some schoolmate. What the hell?
Since I'm married, I'm not give her no attention. And
Well, just block her. Say, oh, well, I'm married now. Like, what the heck? Wow, that made my stomach right sick. But, I mean, it is what it is. People are going to call you and...
yo, I just don't know why people say enough, baby. How would they start do a video and come like they want to show off for energy? I just not get it. I not understand. I not get it. For real. Like everybody just want your man. I have it. I get it. I don't know why. But maybe. Come. Hold on. Let me see.
Hakeem, how are you doing? Because I'm not doing okay. I don't know what to do. I miss you so much, and I don't know. Like, when am I gonna see you again?
Like never? Never?
I don't understand people, baby. I really don't understand people. Like,
Lord.
I'm shocked.
Oh Lord.
I'm shocked that I'm going to yard, cause baby, you lock up the camera, cause at this point I don't know what to do.
What do you mean you don't know what to do?
I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do at
What do you
this
mean
point.
you don't know what to do?
I'm tired of people. I'm tired of people.
Babe,
Every day
just...
is somebody else. Like, how can I get rid of people?
Just block her. Just block her. Say I'm married and...
I'm not gonna make talk to her now.
Huh?
You me gonna make talk to her.
You want me to talk to her?
Yeah, of course. You me gonna make say something to her.
I don't want to talk to her. I don't want you to talk to her, and I don't want to talk to her.
You're scared.
Well, I don't know what to
get...
say. Like, just leave my... Like, Okay, she said... What did she say? I'm not doing good. So, who knows what's going on in her life. So, you could send...
So, wait, she not do good because of me? I don't understand. Me make she not do good? Oh. Me move on with my life. That me
so she's saying she is not doing good because she can't talk to you. I was
most
thinking...
that because me not paying a girl, me not giving a girl no interest, baby. You know that already. You me give all of my interest and all of my time. So me not get it.
Well,
what do you see?
Too bad, so sad. She better go find her own man.
Me okay in a relationship.
You're taken. She better go find her own man. You're taken.
That them for no. So.
Are we gonna finish our video?
We can.
I'm a keen, and I'm handsome, and I have a lot of women that like me.
See, you gonna take that down. You know you have something else.
What? It's true.
I am Jennifer, and I'm jealous of everything that is said and heard about my husband.
Oh, and if I had a man calling or texting me, you wouldn't care?
I'd crash out. Which guy can do that? Like I have control over myself, but I don't know if you have any control.
Yeah, I do.
You have control, baby?
Yes, babe. I don't talk to anybody. Only you. I go to work, I talk to God, and I talk to you. I mean, I have friends at church and stuff like that, but, you know, people on my worship team and stuff like that, but I don't talk to anyone like, oh, baby, this and oh, baby, or nothing like that.
So you never entertain nobody?
No, never. No one could ever, and if they ever said I did, they're lying.
For many things, you never entertain nobody?
Nope. I cut my ex off, I blocked him, and... Even a guy that I was really, really good friends with, I don't even talk to him anymore because I just don't feel right, and I feel bad because we talked every day, but I wouldn't want to disrespect you that way. And so I was always brought up to treat others as I would like people to treat me, and I wouldn't want you talking to other women and like, so I'm not going to do that to you because I wouldn't want you to do that to me.
I respect you down to the ground you walk on, right? So it doesn't entertain stuff like that. But I mean, I don't know. People are just inquisitive nowadays, babe. I don't know what to say. Like, people are just inquisitive.
Well, I'm really grateful and thankful that guys don't do that to me. It's like they respect me. Like, if I say to them, I'm married now, then they don't continue to try to call me. They don't send me messages and stuff like that. So I am really, really thankful and grateful for that. Like, guys don't try to get at me when they know I'm in a relationship. Like, that's why
I'm so grateful for you, honey. Likewise, and I know you trust me.
I do trust you.
I know you know me now go out of the way of hurt you. I know. I know that for your fact, so. I love you so much. Just come mash up a video, so. I don't understand it.
Well, we're going to just put it up like this.
Really?
Yeah. Why not?
Well, you know what? Our sister will make sense of it.
That's your sister?
Yeah.
That's Bianca.
You know what happened, babe? On the voice note, lagging I see mine, but she got turn on the disappeared message something. So we just a check for the voice note a while ago. Me I say, shit, she turned on this not knowing say. She sent me the voice note and I have it there in the chat and see why you know. Right, you know, I check a while ago. Because you see, if you wouldn't hear the first one when she sent,
yeah,
you'd have crash out me. I tell you. Yeah, because I tell you. But it gone, so she ended up sending me back something, but that one didn't spicy like the one where she sent me.
Oh, I would
have it up bro, but because me at work and the timing is so different.
Everything happens for a reason.
Oh
so this happened because
yeah.
I'm glad I don't have to get mad at you right now. I don't have the energy to get mad at you right now.
Chat, Janu's time, you don't want to spicy, but yeah, more look like she take it real well, yeah, man. I don't know, like she take it real well. So
well, because
me not try how far, but I don't think it worked the way I want it for work. But yo, stay tuned now.
I know you guys don't want to hear us arguing and fighting, because if it was a spicy one, Bianca, I'm telling you, or Beyonce, I said Bianca, Beyonce, sorry. I have a friend Bianca. Beyonce, yes, his sister's name is Beyonce. What a beautiful name. But anyway, if I had heard the first one, and it was like you say it is, I went off.
Yo, it is on camera there, but me tell her so the first one, if the first one we did send, when me have a brew from all long, if she did hear that, she'd have crashed out. But that one there, like, it never that spicy, but me don't want you come for a real and proper way, bro. But yeah, we'll try something, dog. We'll try something, you know. Yeah, dog. So me I make you know say, oh, you send me something still, you see me?
But
me
that was quick though.
Yeah, bro, but me I tell her, said the first one, she go turn on the disappeared message, so me, the voice note ended up gone.
Change phone, cause
Alright,
I did not recognize your voice. I'm like, wow, that girl got such a nice voice. Not saying that you don't, but I did not recognize the voice at all.
Yeah, me don't want to tear off our skull, dog. I don't want to do this, me get it up, watch out. Today I'm bro, I get all in again, bro, so yeah, me not save the day for do some content, but it not gonna work, yeah, man, so let's go and big up, sis, you hear that? Respect.
Alright.
Yeah.
Thank you, love you.
Yes, love you.
Oh, that was good. Anyway, guys, I thought we were doing a short, but maybe we'll cut out the front part and make it a short, and then we'll just post the rest of the video. Peace out, guys. Hope you're having a blessed day, and remember, keep God first in your life. I'm telling you, if you do, you will see a difference. I promise you. And remember to comment, like, subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. You know, we're looking to grow our channel. We're new YouTube content creators, and we're looking to get more subscribers. So guys, help us out. We love you all. We thank you for your support, and we hope you have a blessed day. See you guys.
I say Ireland boss, I represent for Akeem and Jen. And you know them YouTube channels, so I tell you no, I say no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The past wasn't clear. No, tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?